Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a delicious sweet treat, Semolina Toffee. This is a great dessert that everyone loves. It's the perfect dessert for any occasions. Let's see what ingredients we need and how to make this step by step. First let's see what we need. We need 500 gram of semolina, 30 gram of cashew, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, half a cup of fresh milk, 300 gram of condensed milk, and we need half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 drop of food coloring. First place a pan on the stove and add the semolina. Roast it on medium heat. Keep stirring until it turns a light golden brown. Once you get a nice aroma, it means it's done. Now take it off the heat and let it cool down. Now place another pan on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a whole tin of condensed milk. Keep the flame on low heat. Next, pour half a cup of fresh milk into the empty condensed milk tin. Mix the remaining bits and add into the pan. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Stir well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once the sugar dissolves, add the chopped cashew. Give it a good mix. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence for greater smell. Now add the roasted semolina little by little. Don't add it all at once. You can add some food coloring if you like, but it's totally optional. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of butter and keep stirring continuously. You will feel the mixture getting thick and heavy. When the mixture starts to come together in a one piece, it's ready. Transfer it to a buttered tray and spread it evenly. Let it cool for about 30 minutes. Once it's set, you can cut into beautiful pieces like this. Look at that, our semolina toffee looks perfect. It's so easy to make, right? I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please try this at home and let me know how to turn out in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.